Hello everyone, welcome to Spider Academy. In this video, we will know more about the chart menu. First, we'll explore the operational aspects of a chart, like how to scroll it, what are the main values to be looked upon, and where they are located. So, we'll start with this. We have the Nifty chart opened here. In order to look at the script name, we will look at the top left where the script name is. After this is script code, which is defined by the exchange, and this is LTP, last traded price. And this value in red is rate of change percentage from the previous day closing. It means what percentage of change, positively or negatively, we have today from the previous day closing. And if we want to look at the open, high, low, and close value of any candle, we just need to hover our cursor onto a candle. We don't even need to click it. After hovering the cursor on that particular candle, let's say I want to see this green candle's date, open, high, low, close. I'll just move my cursor there, and after this I will look at the top right corner where I can see the open value, high value, low value, and closing, and above them we have date and the day. As you can also see, there's a value in zero on top, that is cursor value on the price scale. This tells me where my cursor is located. If I hover my cursor again on the same candle, I can see it's open. This candle was formed on 13th of July and it was a Friday. And after this, the opening of the candle, high, low, and the closing of that particular day. Similarly, if I want to see today's values, I will move my cursor to the right or onto the current candle. I can clearly see the open, high, low, and closing value, and I can see the date also. It is 12th of August and Tuesday. Right? After this, if I want to see the volume values, I can look at the right side of the screen. If this value is in CR, it means we are talking about crores. If let's say if I take any other script, here I can see the value is in lakh. So it means the value on right is 1 lakh volume. If I switch to Nifty, it means we can see this is 100 crores of volume. If I want to see the time frame I want to, I need to look at the bottom right corner where I can see DLY. It means daily time frame. So these are the main important values to be looked upon. Similarly, if I add any indicator or oscillator, I'll be able to see all those values on the right side of the chart. Now we will see how we can scroll a chart in different ways. If I want to zoom in or zoom out, I can hit Shift plus on the keyboard to add more candles onto the screen, or I can simply use the mouse scroll for this function. And if I want to zoom in and reduce the candles from the screen, I can hit minus button or subtract button on the keyboard, or I can use the down scroll of my mouse. We can use the mouse scrolling function in two different ways. Let's see how. We'll go to the settings menu, other setting, chart global. Here you can see I can activate the crosshair, and one more thing, I can see mouse scroll is equal to zoom chart. If I activate this, I will be able to zoom in using the mouse scroll. If I deactivate this, the same scroll function will move the chart candle by candle. So this is how we can use scrolling in two ways. And one more thing, if I want to expand or contract the price scale, means if I want to scroll the chart this way, expand, increasing or decreasing this size of the candle. For this, I will use Control plus mouse scroll or Control plus up and down arrow keys on the keyboard. This is how we can use the scroll in different ways. After this, let's say I want to zoom in a particular area of chart and want to observe some price action over there. If I want to observe this fall, I will hit Ctrl Z on the keyboard. Now you can see the cursor shape has been changed from arrow to eye. It means the function has been activated. After this, we need to select the price range which we want to zoom in. For this, we will do the first click at the starting of the range and second click at the end of the range. So as you can see, we have zoomed in a certain part of chart. If I want to go back to the current candle, I can simply hit Control and END and I'll be back to the current candle. Or I can long press the right arrow key. This will drag the chart to the current candle. The next we will see how we can change the chart type. By default, it opens a Japanese candlestick chart. If I want to see a bar chart, I will type B on the keyboard. For line chart, I'll hit L. For Heikin Ashi, I'll hit H on the keyboard and J for Japanese candlestick. This is how we can change the chart types. In next video, we will explore more about the same. We will learn how to add studies onto it and other different aspects. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep learning. Bye bye.